Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, bestie, you need to see this kitchen I just found. Seriously, I found my dream kitchen. This is Modern Tudor meets organic, and the results? Chef's kiss. It's totally giving high-end, classic style, but with a fresh, crisp twist. Stop staring at your phone and look at this island. That deep, rich navy blue, it's everything. It totally grounds the room and makes the white cabinets pop. And look up. Those massive rustic wood beams are giving rustic manor house vibes, but the bright white walls keep it totally modern. We are talking about a ceiling that is easily 11 feet 6 inches high, making the whole space feel huge. The island itself is a marathon, maybe 10 feet long, with this gorgeous, thick slab of marble, perfect for meal prep, entertaining, or just sipping coffee and pretending you're a 5-star chef. You know how sometimes Tudor style can feel a little heavy or dark? Not here. The huge grid windows, they are like 15 feet of glorious natural light. Solve that problem completely. It's bright, it's functional, and the aged brass hardware adds that perfect pop of sophistication. It beats those cramped, dingy kitchens we see all the time, right? This combination of textures, from the smooth marble to the woven light fixtures, is just genius. Honestly, it's a game changer. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?